Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply a study visa to Malta. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Also, I would like to clarify that when you apply for a study visa to Malta, you need to look at the requirements based on the location from where you apply. Because Malta is a Schengen country, okay, it's part of Schengen country. So based on your location, there could be some different steps, different requirements, different documents could happen. So in front of you, I have opened Malta embassy site in New Delhi. Let's say you're applying from India. So here you have like visa services. So I click on it. So we know that when you stay long term, more than 90 days in a Schengen region, you need long stay D visa. Okay, that you need to apply. So what happens here is like they have outsourced in India. Like you have an information sheet here. If you open, where they clearly say that they have outsourced this to VFS. So this is the VFS site. If you go here, you need to select the visa type. Steps are the same, like identify visa type, collect all the documents, pay your fee, book appointment, go there, submit your documents, biometrics if applicable, and then if it is granted, you're all good. So here, if you select study and training, fee, okay, this is an INR, this is an euro, and there are some additional service charges, okay, that you should be aware of. Documents, yeah, document checklist, very important. See what are the things we need for study visa. Application form, okay, recent passport size photograph, travel document, passport, overseas travel medical insurance, 30,000 euros, very common for um like all Schengen visas. Confirmed travel itinerary with return flight of courses less than 91 days. Okay, of course, so not in every case. This is proof of sufficient funds. Okay. See, ITR accompanied by CPC acknowledgement for last 3 years. That's what I was telling you, that based on your location, there could be additional document requirements. In India, income tax returns you get right in this way. So that's why they have asked. Letter of acceptance, course detail, proof of accommodation, okay, proof of payment, educational certificate, all passport notarized or no NOC. Okay, in minor case, Aadhaar card. Yeah, this is also specific to India because in other countries you don't get Aadhaar card. And then here, all right, this we are clear about. Photo specifications. Okay, we read there. Processing time 10 to 15 days, but in some cases it may take longer because if they need to do some additional verification in your case, or if they need to call you for an interview, if they want to, it could be. Now, what are the things you need? Application form, supplementary documents. So we'll check supplementary documents first and then we'll go for, oh, it does not exist. Wow, that's strange. I'll try to open once more. Wow. Okay, checklist we have already gone through, so it's okay. Let's go for application form. Photo here. If you're a family member of this, you should not fill up section this, okay? This is for official use, so don't bother about that. Uh, surname and birth, if surname and birth, okay. First name, given name, okay. Date of birth. Make sure you uh, stick to the format. Place of birth, country of birth. This thing may make sure it matches your passport. Otherwise, it could be mismatch, right? And you don't want to get into that situation. These are very simple questions. I don't see any difficulty over here. Occupation details, and you can just put your information here. Number of entries, member state of main destination, first entry, additional information. Okay, purpose. So when you're going for study, you're going to for this study. Other information, okay. How you're going to support yourself. Name of address of inviting company organization, okay. And then at the end, date, signature, place. So that's it, guys. And then you can schedule an appointment with them, VFS. And if it is granted, you're all good to go. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.